Unlock movement secrets. Barefoot strong versus mindset battle for success. Introduction. In the realm of physical fitness and movement, two opposing philosophies have emerged: barefoot strong and mindset battle. This essay delves into these contrasting approaches, highlighting their unique advantages and offering actionable insights for practitioners seeking to optimize their performance today. Barefoot strong, the physiological approach. 1. Ancestral movement roots. The barefoot strong philosophy is grounded in the idea of emulating our ancestors' natural movement patterns, which involved walking and running barefoot. This approach emphasizes strengthening the feet, ankles, and lower legs to improve overall mobility and stability. 2. Foot strengthening techniques. Exercises such as toe curls, heel raises, and balance drills are integral to the barefoot strong methodology. These techniques help build the intrinsic muscles of the foot, enhancing proprioception and reducing injury risk. 3. Benefits and challenges. Adopting a barefoot approach can lead to improved posture, increased agility, and reduced chances of overuse injuries. However, transitioning from wearing shoes can be uncomfortable for some, and proper form must be mastered to avoid strain on the feet and lower legs. Mindset battle, the psychological approach. 1. Mental fortitude. The mindset battle philosophy focuses on cultivating mental resilience, self-belief, and motivation to push through physical challenges. This approach emphasizes the power of mind over matter in achieving peak performance. 2. Techniques for a strong mind. Visualization, affirmations, and goal setting are essential components of the mindset battle methodology. These techniques help athletes develop mental toughness, focus, and determination to persevere through difficult training sessions and competitions. 3. Benefits and challenges. A strong mind can lead to increased motivation, improved focus, and enhanced performance under pressure. However, developing mental resilience requires dedication, discipline, and the ability to overcome self-doubt and fear of failure. The synergy of barefoot strong and mindset battle. 1. Combining physiology and psychology for optimal results, practitioners should consider integrating elements of both barefoot strong and mindset battle into their training regimen. A balanced approach that strengthens the body and mind can lead to improved performance and reduced injury risk. 2. Concrete examples. A runner might incorporate barefoot exercises to build foot strength, while also using visualization techniques to mentally prepare for a challenging race. A gymnast could focus on developing mental fortitude during difficult training sessions, while simultaneously working on improving foot mobility and stability. Conclusion. In the ongoing battle for success in movement-based disciplines, a balanced approach that combines physiological and psychological aspects is key. By embracing the principles of barefoot strong and mindset battle, practitioners can unlock their full potential and achieve peak performance today. Executive summary. The former emphasizes physiological strengthening through barefoot exercises, while the latter focuses on mental fortitude and self-belief. By combining these methods, practitioners can achieve optimal performance and reduced injury risk. Context definitions. Barefoot strong, a philosophy that encourages emulating our ancestors' natural movement patterns by going barefoot, with a focus on foot strengthening exercises to improve mobility and stability. Mindset battle, an approach that cultivates mental resilience, self-belief, and motivation to push through physical challenges, emphasizing the power of mind over matter in achieving peak performance. State of the field: both Barefoot Strong and Mindset Battle have gained popularity in various movement-based disciplines, with practitioners recognizing their unique benefits for optimizing performance and reducing injury risk. Methodological lens: this essay utilizes a comparative analysis approach to examine the philosophies of Barefoot Strong and Mindset Battle, providing actionable insights for practitioners seeking to integrate these methods into their training regimens. Main argument: by combining the physiological focus of Barefoot Strong with the mental fortitude cultivated through Mindset Battle, practitioners can unlock their full potential and achieve peak performance in movement-based disciplines. Counterarguments: rebuttals. Critics argue that transitioning to a barefoot approach may be uncomfortable for some or increase injury risk if proper form is not mastered. However, these concerns can be mitigated through gradual transitions and targeted training. Similarly, developing mental resilience requires dedication but offers numerous benefits, such as improved focus and motivation. Case study examples of successful practitioners who have combined Barefoot Strong and Mindset Battle principles include elite runners incorporating barefoot exercises with visualization techniques and gymnasts focusing on both mental fortitude and foot mobility for enhanced performance. Last 7 days: recent research has further supported the benefits of barefoot training, demonstrating improvements in foot strength, agility, and reduced injury risk. Meanwhile, studies have also shown that mental resilience training can lead to increased motivation, focus, and overall performance. Practical implications: incorporating elements of both Barefoot Strong and Mindset Battle into a training regimen can help athletes improve their movement skills, reduce injury risk, and achieve peak performance. Risks: transitioning to barefoot training may initially cause discomfort or increased injury risk if proper form is not mastered. Developing mental resilience requires dedication and the ability to overcome self-doubt and fear of failure. Ethics and governance: practitioners should prioritize their safety and well-being when implementing these approaches, ensuring they are properly educated on both methodologies and consult with qualified professionals as needed. Outlook scenarios: as research continues to support the benefits of Barefoot Strong and Mindset Battle, we can expect these philosophies to further influence movement-based disciplines, leading to improved performance and reduced injury risk for practitioners worldwide.